Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to create simple login form using Java Netbeans. So let's get started. First click on File, New Project, select Java with and Java application, click on Next. Give the project name login demo and make sure to uncheck create main class. Just uncheck this. Then click on finish. So now you can see the project name login demo. If you expand the project, you are going to see source packages and libraries. Now just select source packages, then right click new JFrame form and name this login JFrame. Then click on finish. So now you can see the project name is login demo, and in source packages we have a JFrame called login JFrame, and here you can see JFrame. So right click on JFrame, select and right click on properties, then go to code, tick the box for generate center, close. This is going to make the JFrame appear in center screen. So now you can see the JFrame. So I am going to design the login JFrame. So here you can see palette and the showing controls. So look for label, just select and drag. You can increase the size. I'll just select and duplicate. First label will be username, second one will be password. Now look for text field, just select and drag. Just remove the J text field. Now right click on the text field of username, change variable name it txt username. Okay, this one will be txt password. Now you need a button, login button. So Let's name it login. And you can name this D10 login. Okay. Now select the button login, right click, events, action performed. This will take you to the login button code. Here you have to do coding. So first I will define string UZN equals to txt username dot get text. I will simply copy this and this one I will name this pxy. This one will be password. Then if UZN dot equals in double quotation I will give the username admin, then rm dot equals I will give the password 123. Here new, then I will just type dashboard JFrame. Set visible true. Then here else JFrame pane dot show message dialog null, and here invalid login. So now right click on source packages, new JFrame form. You can name this main JFrame or dashboard. So just type dashboard JFrame. Finish. I'll just drag a label here. And this one will be welcome. Here I can type invalid username or password. Okay, now click on file and save all. Then right click here, run file. So if I type wrong username and password, it says invalid username or password. Okay, now if I give the correct login credentials, you can see login is successful. If you want, you can set the main class. Just click on project, properties, click on run. You can see main class. Click on browse, select main class, which is login JFrame. Okay, save all. So in this way you can create login form in Java Netbeans, and using this login form you can create Java projects. You can use the login form in your Java project. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.